एकता कपूर गवा रहे, बालाजी टेलीफिल्म्स गवा रहे हैं।
ठड़ंग ठड़ंग ठड़ंग।
तो मैं ये सीरीज रिव्यू करने क्यों बैठा हूँ? आई हेटेड इट। शी लाइक इट।
Can you see? I'm wearing Rajasthani print. It had story, at least.
You remember the Royals? Watch. That was much better than this.
क्योंकि इसमें मर्डर है गाइस.
I would have given minus.
Please.
You know, like to minus. पधारो
मारे देश.
You might be wondering हम लोग ये क्या गा रहे हैं, कौन गवा रहा है ये? एकता कपूर गवा रहे, बालाजी टेलीफिल्म्स गवा रहे हैं, जो कभी ने किसी ने हमने गवाया था, क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी. आज ये गवा रहे हैं हमसे.
ठड़ंग ठड़ंग ठड़ंग.
So this new series, Kul, The Legacy of the Risings, placed in Bikaner. It's their fictional empire.
It is as dramatic as it gets.
I don't even know मैं ये series review करने क्यों बैठा हूँ. I hated it. She liked it.
It was not bad, guys. Can you see? I'm wearing Rajasthani print. It was not that bad. I know थोड़ा ज़्यादा dramatic था, plot से काफी ज़्यादा हिले थे. It had story, at least.
You remember the Royals? जिसके हमने तो नहीं, बट दुनिया ने बहुत बुराइयां की थी. उसका भी रिव्यू है हमारे पेज पे. Go and watch. That was much better than this.
क्योंकि वो थोड़ा सा लाइट हेडेड था, ये थोड़ा सा डार्क है. क्योंकि इसमें मर्डर है गाइस. It is a drama thriller, but also is a murder mystery.
She just loved murder mystery.
I love it.
कहीं का कुछ भी murder mystery दिखा दो, she will love it. Shall we move on to the cast?
Yeah.
3 major roles, 3 prominent characters, and 3 class actors, I must say. Amol Pareshar.
Again.
He has recently come in Gram Chikitsalaya.
And to be very honest, मेरे को मैं रिकलेक्ट ही नहीं कर पा रही थी कि वही सेम लड़का है जो ग्राम चिकित्सालय में इतना सीरियस रोल कर रहा था, और यहाँ पर मैं ये इतना.
He is a complete badass in this.
I know, he was a spoiled kid.
जितना मेरे को वो पसंद आए थे जो वो कैरेक्टर इन ग्राम चिकित्सालय, इसमें आई हेटेड हिज कैरेक्टर. लाइक जिसको ऐसे लोग होते भी हैं दुनिया में, सच में क्या पता होते होंगे.
नेक्स्ट इज रिद्धि डोगरा aka काव्या राय सिंह. My name, Kavya Rai Singh, the practical one. We'll talk about her more later. And then the next one is
Nimrit Kaur.
And I hate her personally.
I like her.
No. No. She is the Amma. Or you can say the eldest Didi. But yes, Amma.
You
Wondering
can
why?
say the protagonist of the story.
Yeah.
There are around 8 episodes of 30-35 minutes each. So not a very long watch.
You can watch it. It's not that bad.
You can watch it. Maybe you like it. I didn't.
It is based on a royal family's power struggle. The storyline is simple yet very complicated.
No, the storyline is okay. The characters are complicated.
That made the story very complicated. It is a murder mystery, the power struggle after the death of the king, the father of these 3 kids. So इसमें father was already unwell. He was not keeping well. He was, I think, facing dementia. And he was always feeling, और वो हमेशा beginning में ही दिखा दिया that he was always saying, okay, मेरे बच्चे मेरे को मार डालेंगे. And when he died, and not just died, when he was murdered, he was laying in the pool with blood all over and wrapped in a yellow sari.
That's where the series starts from. That's the opening scene. So they have created that intrigue in us. The first scene unveils that the king is dead, and the story unfolds on who murdered him, why they murdered him. There are many suspects. Of course, all the 3 children, since the king was constantly saying that I might be murdered by my children. So, but who is the murderer?
And rightly so. We were also very suspicious of the kids. His son, who is a very troubled kid, drug addict, gambling की गंदी आदत, और उसको कौन अंधा प्यार करती है? उनकी बड़ी दीदी,
अम्मा.
अम्मा, जिनको वो अम्मा बुलाता है.
Who calls their दीदी अम्मा?
Seriously, और वो इतना ब्लाइंड सपोर्ट करती है अपने ब्रदर को इन एवरीथिंग कि उसके सामने सब कुछ हो रहा होता है और वो कुछ नहीं बोलती है. Then comes काव्या, the younger sister. तो शी इज अ लॉट प्रैक्टिकल. वो पूरा एम्पायर और पूरा रॉयल फैमिली संभाल रही है, क्योंकि सन तो सब उड़ाने पे तुला है, तो वो सब कुछ संभाल रही है.
But even she wants to, give away the palace.
Yeah.
Sell the palace. Or
Yeah.
I don't know. She's also a very
dicey person.
Yeah.
और ये भी दिखाया गया है कि फादर से उसकी लड़ाई कॉन्स्टेंटली चलती थी क्योंकि फादर उसके डिसीजंस के बीच में आते थे। तो लगता था कि यार ये क्या काव्या ने मर्डर किया है। फिर उनके बेटे के साथ हमेशा उसकी लड़ाई चलती रहती थी किंग की, और उसी में बीच में द सन सेड आई विल किल हिम। तो ऑब्वियसली लगा कि यार, एंड बिकॉज ही इज ऑलवेज इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ ड्रग्स, क्या उसने कुछ किया है। अब अगेन बड़ी वाली दीदी जो इतनी सस्पिशियस लग रही है, वो हमेशा अपने भाई के इतने फेवर में रहती है कि कहीं लगा कि क्या उन्होंने कुछ करवाया है या हेल्प की है भाई की। तो सस्पिशन इन तीनों पे ही काफी ज्यादा था। तब भी समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि कौन होगा
There are
मर्डरर।
other suspects as well.
There were a lot of twists in the middle. There were a lot of twists and turns और बहुत सारी चीजें हो रही थी. All the kids were together to find the murderer as well. But after finding the murderer, there comes a lot of family secrets and history. And then the quest becomes in deciding if they have to be loyal, if they have to take out revenge, or they have to think about their survival.
What will they choose?
Hmm.
So basically, that's all about the series. There's a murder, there are some suspects, and who will be the murderer, what and how the story unfolds, and where does it lead to who getting what in the property. That's about it. I didn't have much to say. I didn't like it that much. She will give the ratings and she will conclude. For the cast, what would you give the cast?
No, I will give good ratings. You tell me what would you give
If
the
I would give ratings, then there would be no ratings.
for the cast.
Okay, for the cast, I'll give them 3.5.
Yeah.
Max.
I would have given 4, but okay, he gives 3.5, so we'll stick at 3.5. For the storyline, I think it's 3.5. I mean, it was good till finding the murderer, but anything after that was unnecessary. But yeah, the ending, I loved the ending. It was satisfactory. What do you say? I think you
I have
loved
made
the
some
ending.
faces.
I think he also loved the ending.
It was just a satisfying ending that it's over.
Shut up.
So an overall rating for the series of 3.5.
Yeah.
That's our average. Yeah, that's.
Yeah. I think if it was up to him, he'll only give 2.
I would have given minus.
Please.
Like 2 minus.
We are here to always give you our honest review on the series.
Brutally honest reviews.
Brutally honest reviews. So if you liked our review, please come like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Pause.
For kisses.